the weeks leading up to a move. It's a mix of excitement and a little dread for all of the packing that you have to do. I've yet to pack anything and throw in a lingering week-long migraine just for a little razzle-dazzle. But it wasn't all bad, so let's spend a few good and okay days together. Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. Let me turn the AC off so that you guys can hear me. I just left the grocery store because I move in just a few weeks. At this point, I don't see the point in fully going grocery shopping, so I've been going as I need things. I'm making fried chicken thighs tonight with hot honey sauce. My hair is blown out. Y'all saw me wash my hair. I made a little mistake when trying the Sacred Thermal Mist. I started on soaking wet hair, just hair straight out the shower. And the directions say to use it on damp or dry hair. And when they say damp, they mean damp. They don't mean hair that's still dripping wet. I have never struggled like that with blowing my hair out. It kept poofing back up. It kept getting tangled. And it was all my fault. I did film a video on my phone that I'm going to post because I think it's important to show what not to do. And I don't always get it right. I tried to blow out my hair like I always do, but different products require different techniques. You know I'm going to be doing a full review on my channel. I like to do things over time, as y'all know, when it comes to product lines, but use the thermal mist as directed. I'm only wearing my hair in a blowout today. I'm going to do my rod set tomorrow. I was going to do a rod set today and try the new Sacred Mousse, but I woke up with a migraine. When I get migraines, they kind of linger. I took something and I'm able to tolerate it right now. Like, I can move around and stuff, but rods and a migraine that's just waiting to come back are not a good mix. I'm not going to do it today. We're going to do it tomorrow. After I spend a few hours editing, I'm definitely going to go into my office area and clear out that closet. I need to get my bridesmaid's dress for my sister-in-law's wedding. It's in August, but I do need to get my dress by June. I've just been so focused on this move. My moving day is the same day as my sister's prom. I wanted to see my baby get all dolled up and ready for prom in person, but y'all know how moving is. I'm at a very beautiful park and I'm just enjoying coffee. I'm talking to my girls, but I'm not on social media. I'm not consuming. I'm just having a simple moment to myself. You don't have to do drastic things. You don't have to spend a ton of money. It's $6. I get to sit here and I get to just think, and I get to have a clear mind, and I get to set intentions for a great day, a great week. It's only Tuesday. This felt like a FaceTime call. It was nice having a cute little chat with you, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Before we get to work, this is what I am wearing. The tank top is from H&M. This is the cropped Honor Active jacket that I just got. My pants are from Zara. My shoes are Vejas. Bag, coat. The headband came with some shirts that I got from Rayona. This is the fit for today. It's been a few hours. I did a lot of editing. I knew that I wanted to fry chicken thighs and make hot honey sauce. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with the sides, so it's just a bunch of vegetables: carrots, cabbage, and corn. That's my dinner. I knew I did not want to eat rice. I'm sure it's gonna be good, especially the chicken. Hot honey chicken is just... Good morning. I'm about to do my rod set using this wrap and set foam from Sacred. Let's run through this really quick. Luckily, I know how to do me a nice quick rod set, at least the installing portion. I'm gonna do 12 in total like I always do. If you wanna see the full routine, I will include the video here to watch. Go ahead and detangle this section and then get my sections going. I don't know when I'm gonna go and get a trim again, but I need to get one. Apply foam evenly to damp hair. I'm not working on damp hair. I'm working on dry hair. Hopefully this still turns out how I want it to, because when I tried using the heat protectant not as directed, that didn't go too well for me. So hopefully it's not the case with the wrap foam. What I've been doing with my rod sets is I've been wrapping it far apart so that's elongated, but this back section here, I'm gonna still make it elongated, but I'm gonna bring it closer together as it gets to my ends. Like you'll see the difference soon. I'm gonna just go wrap it. See how I started kind of spread out, and then as I got towards the bottom, I wrapped it closer together. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with the back sections so that it's not so stretched out. You know, I gotta put my scrunchies on the ends. That's what I do. I'm glad that I waited until today to do this because I don't have a headache right now like I did yesterday. It just was not going to go well for me. Damp enough. Got my flexi rod and we're gonna wrap it around. Last one for this section. This is so fast. It's really just the drying time. This does not take me long to do at all. I love rod sets so much, especially being that I have not been doing a lot of creative styles like I usually do. I'll take some of the excess from the strands and put a little bit at my roots. I gotta detangle this one again. I messed up a little bit there. Oop. Hold on, I gotta do it again. Oh, I'm getting tired. There we go. Whew. I did this to avoid having a headache, and I feel myself get a headache. This lingering feeling that I have is just remnants from yesterday's migraine. So she's not fully gone. The rods aren't too tight on my head at all. I think it's just the fact that I'm moving around right now when my body so desperately wants to be laying down. Boom, bam, yeah, there we go. It's gonna be so fire. Trying to give them all space so they can equally dry. And here is the finale for this side. This might be the last time that you guys see me do my hair for a couple of weeks. You know, moving and all. That side is done. Terminado. Just got to do this side. 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 So I'm wearing my pants. That made me feel like I'm a pop star. My hair should be dry now. I never say that it's dry. I always say that it should be because you just never know. If y'all can see the floor right now. They dried well. The takedown part is my favorite. All right. Bam, bam, boom, bam, 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 boom, bam. Honestly, I can't even think about my hair right now because I'm so hungry. I need to eat. And if you were wondering where the rods go as I'm taking them down, gosh, throw them straight on the floor. I really want some chocolate chips. Now, before you start throwing tomatoes at me, hear me out. There's this Asian food market that I like going to, and next to it, there's this shop that I went in one day, saw that they sold chocolate covered chips, and my curiosity got the best of me, and I'm glad that it did. I don't get them all the time. This week I'm really craving them, and it's just Ruffles covered in chocolate. I promise you, it is so good. If you like a mix of salty and sweet, think chocolate covered pretzels. Don't knock it till you try it. What is today? Is today Tuesday? Wait, what is, today is Tuesday, yeah? Now I've had my fun, I did my hair, now I actually have to start packing. We gotta move. I'm literally supposed to be packing right now, but my head hurts so bad that I'm just laying here. It's been this nagging headache for the past 3 days, and medicine is not helping. Oh my goodness. Being a migraine sufferer is so not tea. Fortunately, I only get them once a month now, and it's usually always during that time of the month. But I've suffered from migraines since I was like 7. They used to be bad. Like I used to get them all the time. It's a lot better now, but when they come, they are vicious. So I probably should start taking migraine medication again. Honestly, I try to find natural remedies and not have to take Motrin or Excedrin if I don't have to, but sometimes it does get to a point where I gotta take something. I think I just need to go get in my bed and take a nap. Oof. Well, it's 3 days later and I still have not packed anything, but I did get the urge at 4 a.m. to get up and journal. This was the first moment all week where my head wasn't pounding and I was just trying to push through that pain. And I'm really starting to understand why some people like to get up super early. My thoughts were super clear. I got to watch the sunrise. And I even wrote down some goals I wanted to achieve in the month of April that literally happened for me the following week. But we'll get into that in another video along with the actual moving process. I know this vlog was super short, but if you're a migraine sufferer, then you get it. I'll see y'all next week.